We can integrate documents and contracts in order to streamline the document workflow process and then move people right into estimates and invoices. This will give you the ability to streamline the entire document workflow and customer onboarding process. Hey guys, in this short training, I'm going to take you through the process of integrating your Stripe payment gateway with the RazoRSharp CRM built on high level. The reason you're going to utilize the payment gateway is so that you can set up secure order processing or payment processing with the RazoRSharp CRM. So what is a payment gateway? It's kind of like a middleware between an application that resides online and your bank account. What it does is it gives you the ability to process credit cards and then securely process all that information, collect payment so that you can deposit into your bank account. I'm going to take you through the process setting up Stripe, which is one payment gateway with the RazoRSharp CRM. Based off of your application, you might want to utilize PayPal, Authorize.net, and or Squarespace. Let me jump right into this training as to not waste any time. And the first thing you're going to want to do is log into the RazoRSharp CRM. You're going to navigate to Payments, and then you'll go over to the Integration tab. From there, you go to Stripe and or select one of the other payment gateways. You're going to select Connect and follow the setup wizard. Select Connect to Stripe. What this is going to do is it's going to open up the authentication process between Lead Connector and or your Stripe account. The really cool thing about Stripe is it has a parent-child relationship with all of your business units. So if you manage multiple businesses, you can see all those businesses there. You can select the business that you desire to connect. Go ahead and select Connect. This will set up the authentication, which will be secure. And this does the authentication for both live and test mode. So inside of your Stripe account, up in the top right-hand section, you'll have live or test mode there if you want to do test transactions and things of that nature. I'm going to go ahead and have my video production manager blur out all the names and faces in order to protect the identities of everybody involved. But what this does is it creates a secure connection. It utilizes the API keys, secure secrets and things of that nature, and sets that up automatically, which is really great for both test and the live mode. Gives you the ability to do it quickly and easily. I'm going to go ahead and select register domain for Apple Pay. And we're all set. That'll set up our Stripe integration so that we can leverage product sales on the RazoRSharp CRM. In addition to that, we can integrate documents and contracts in order to streamline the document workflow process and then move people right into estimates and invoices. This will give you the ability to streamline the entire document workflow and customer onboarding process inside of the RazoRSharp CRM, which makes it really effective to move contacts all the way through that customer journey more rapidly than you did before. So hopefully we answered your questions. If we didn't, go ahead and leave those in the comment section of this video. We'll get those answered for you. And if you don't want to miss future trainings about how to leverage AI and automation in order to move contacts through your customer journey more rapidly and with better results than ever before, go ahead and jump over to our YouTube channel, subscribe, set up notifications so you don't miss future trainings. Again, this is all about productivity and all about leveraging AI and automation in order to drive growth within your organization. So that's all I got for you today. If you have anything else, please let us know. Otherwise, until the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon. Hey there, if you like this video and you'd like to get access to future trainings about how to leverage AI and automation to help you move contacts through the customer journey more rapidly with better results than ever before, remember to subscribe, set up notifications so that you don't miss future trainings. If you like input or you have challenges that you're trying to overcome within your organization, go ahead and leave a comment and I promise that I'll get those taken care of for you.